seeds, also known as Nigella sativa or black cumin seeds, have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries. Here are 5 potential benefits of black seeds. 1. Immune system support. Black seeds contain compounds like thymoquinone, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help support and strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illnesses. 2. Respiratory health. Black seeds have been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. 3. Digestive health. Black seeds can aid digestion and help with various digestive issues. They may reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. 4. Heart health. Some studies suggest that black seeds may have a positive impact on heart health by reducing risk factors like high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. 5. Skin and hair benefits. Black seed oil, derived from black seeds, is often used topically for skin and hair care. It may help soothe skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis and promote healthy hair growth. Ingredients: black seed,